स्वागत है आपका शॉर्टहैंडियंस डॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. Learned counsel for the respondents contends that the petitioners have been appointed against non-existent posts in the pay scale of rupees 4,000-6,000, about which an inquiry has been set up, and the state government is still in the process of examining the same. Full stop. In such a situation, the grant of higher pay scale of rupees 4,500-7,000 is erroneous, as the very appointment of the petitioners is in jeopardy. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondents further contends that the posts which had been advertised had to be first filled up by way of promotion under the rules and could not have been filled up by way of direct recruitment. Full stop. It is for this that the inquiry has been set up by the state government to find out as to how this advertisement was tailored in a way to offer the post of direct recruitment in the pay scale of rupees 4,000-6,000, and therefore if the petitioners have been given the benefit of a deliberate attempt to fill up the post through an incorrect advertisement, they should not be paid their salary in the higher pay scale, and as a matter of fact their appointments are also against the rules. Full stop. Para. When the matter was heard on the previous occasion, and as the aforesaid picture emerged after the exchange of affidavits, it was further pointed out through the pleadings that all candidates who were entitled for promotion have already extended such benefit, and the request for promotion by such candidates has already been granted. Full stop. Hence, there is no occasion to cancel the appointments of the petitioners on any such ground, as all the candidates have already been accommodated and have been granted the said pay scale. Full stop. An argument was advanced on behalf of the state to protect the interest of the promotees, contending that if the promotions have been made, then the petitioners who could not have been appointed without the promotion having been finalized cannot claim seniority over them. Full stop. Thus, the claim of seniority of the promotees was to be protected. Full stop. According to the respondents, for which Shri Ashok Khare, learned senior counsel for the petitioners, made a statement and has also filed an affidavit that the petitioners are not claiming seniority over the promotees who are entitled to be promoted, and they are prepared to forego their seniority to that extent. Full stop. Para. After having heard learned counsel for the parties, it remains undisputed that the posts against which the petitioners claim appointment are posts which had been advertised depicting a wrong pay scale. Full stop. The question as to whether the pay scale was deliberately indicated in the advertisement or not is a subject matter of inquiry by the state government, and the said inquiry therefore cannot be preempted by this court at this stage. Full stop. However, the fact remains that the process which has been followed is that of direct recruitment. Full stop. There is no dispute between the parties that the qualification and eligibility of the post in question are fulfilled by the petitioners, and they were eligible for being considered to be appointed against the post of stenographers, full stop, para. The only dispute is as to whether the petitioners could have been offered appointment before the promotional candidates had been accommodated, full stop. The affidavits which had been filed on behalf of the petitioners do positively assert that all the candidates who were entitled for being considered to be promoted in the pay scale of rupees 4,500 7,000 have been extended the said benefit, full stop. If that situation has come, then the question is, should the appointment of the petitioners to be disturbed, full stop, over.
तो दोस्तों ये था 115 के लमसम स्पीड का मैटर था, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो सकता है, ठीक है। कोई नाम वगैरह तो इसमें आए नहीं थे, कंपाइलेशन का मैटर है ये। इसको लगाइए, इसकी मिस्टेक्स बताइएगा चैनल पे कमेंट करके क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स आ रही हैं, और जो पंजाब हरियाणा की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो भी इस डिक्टेशन को ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज लीगल मैटर लीगल होता है, लीगल के वर्ड भी लीगल ही होते हैं हर जगह, चाहे वो देश का कोई भी हिस्सा क्यों ना हो, ठीक है। तो इसको लीजिए और फिर उसके बाद जो है कुछ और व्यवस्था की जाएगी और करेंगे, ठीक है। तब तक इसको लीजिए, और 115 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन है। चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते रहिएगा और कमेंट करके अपने व्यूज़ बताते रहिएगा, रिव्यूज़ बताते रहिएगा। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।